Okay. Okay. So, today's discussion is about my amazing magical experiences in India. Okay. And I really, I like, the moment I'm back, I again dream of when I'm going back to India, when I'm going to those magical spiritual places, drench myself in that nectar. So, like I went to five places. Hmm? Like five spiritual places. I will not touch all of them. It will be too long, but some which are very magical, I will share. One was Meenakshi Temple. One was the Agathiyar Pyramid, and the third was the what is the Light Age Foundation in Bangalore. ओके एंड ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ कि मैं जब गई ना आई वाज इन अ लाइक वी स्पिरिचुअल पीपल हमारा ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सब कुछ के ऊपर चले गए हमारे भी बहुत चैलेंजेस होते हैं बहुत स्ट्रगल्स होते हैं एंड आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट बिफोर आई वेंट टू इंडिया पैर में चोट आ गई फॉर अ मंथ आई वाज लाइक लिम्पिंग एंड आई वाज इन सो मच पेन आई कुडंट स्लीप लाइक टॉस भी करती थी तो मुझे पैर में दर्द होता था इतना दर्द था and normally what happens is that every last year when I went in July to Madurai, whole 1 month I spent every day I spent in Meenakshi temple. So my mother sometimes says कि तू इधर क्यों आई है तू वहीं पे रह जा Meenakshi temple ही रह जा. So this was the situation. Every day I would go, every day I would meditate, but this time I was in such bad state. और फिजिकली इतना पेन हो तो इमोशनली भी आपको अफेक्ट करता है आपके पास एनर्जी नहीं फील होता है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स so somehow I picked up myself one day and I said नहीं आज तो जाना ही है जितना भी whatever even if I'm limping I will go and that day in Meenakshi temple it was evening and I was just sometimes I talk to goddesses and gods and the divine and I said let me see I have served you so much last year let me see what you do for me and this time when I went after I did the darshan, I was sitting just near the main Garbha Griha and I was meditating and suddenly I saw some water coming out. Okay. And and suddenly ये पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है? And I realized that it is actually the it is it is the water the of the like after bathing the Meenakshi the water that comes out is through that channel but it had barricade and you cannot reach out so I asked a man that he was with his family I think he also came from abroad I said can you please help me can you get me that water and वो हाथ में लेके मुझे दिए and that water it was in his hand but never mind I thought it is Meenakshi's water let me just drink it and this is what I did and uske baad se na I could see the transformation that was happening in my life after 2 days I went to this Agathir pyramid and तब भी मैं बहुत पेन में lots of pain but I don't know why just after entering the pyramid the very first to second day I started feeling shifts कितने सारे and in that pyramid it was a 5 day retreat I'm so grateful to them कि ऐसा भी कोई जगह है जहाँ पे वो लोग पैसे नहीं मांगते हैं फ्री में बोल रहे कि नहीं आपको जितना देना है दो दो एंड आप यहाँ पे and we were pushed to meditate for 8 hours every day to nature walk and many things the food was very sattvic all these things really helped me transform every day I was getting so many like aha moments realizations learnings and the place itself is so beautiful okay, every evening I would spend my day at a sunset point जहाँ पे सूरज डूबता है और उसके साथ ना peacocks I think there is a पिकॉक और पीहेन दो एक साथ में बात करते हैं एक बुलाता है दूसरा सुनता है एंड द म्यूजिक एंड सीइंग दैट सनसेट वाज माय बेस्ट प्लेस देयर and you know, that time was also my birthday, if you remember. Yeah. And I sometimes I don't do things normal way, and I say ke, let me see how you are going to you are going to surprise me on my birthday, 20 जुलाई। आप लोग सब विश कर रहे थे, लेकिन मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं था आपको थैंक यू बोलने के लिए। बट आई वाज जस्ट सीइंग कि पेरेंट्स भी नहीं, कोई विश नहीं करेगा, फैमिली से कोई विश नहीं करेगा, किसी को पता नहीं, तो मेरा बर्थडे कैसे मनेगा, यूनिवर्स कैसे मेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करेगा, लेट्स सी। And what happened is that just before entering, and it was a Mona retreat, it was a 5 day retreat, okay, बात भी नहीं कर सकते हो आप। तो जिस दिन गई उस दिन मोना रिट्रीट नहीं था, स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, तो मैंने एक लड़की से मुलाकात हुई, एंड आई टोल्ड हर दैट 20 जुलाई इज माय बर्थडे, एंड आई दिस टाइम नोबडी इज गोइंग टू विश मी। एंड मैं उस वो बात को भूल भी गई कि आई टोल्ड हर समथिंग लाइक दैट। एंड the day of my birthday, I was very happy. I was so, like, I didn't want anybody to wish me. I was so happy. In the evening, I was still thinking कि नहीं, फिर भी मैं देखती हूँ आप कैसे मुझे सरप्राइज करते हो 20 जुलाई को। और इवनिंग को अगेन इन दैट सेम सनसेट पॉइंट आई वाज देयर, एंड आई वाज रीडिंग अ बुक, एंड सडनली वो लड़की आई, आके मेरे पीछे बैठी, एंड वो कुछ तो कर रही थी, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे लगा कि शी इज माय फ्रेंड, सो शी इज जस्ट सिटिंग बिसाइड मी, वी विल नॉट टॉक, वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू टॉक, सो वी आर जस्ट सिटिंग, एंड देन शी लेफ्ट। So then I got up to go for one of the meditation session. The moment I got up, मुझे एक सुंदर सा एक ग्रीन लीफ दिखा, व्हाइट फ्लावर दिखा, एक स्टोन दिखा, और ग्रीन लीफ में पहली बार लाइफ में somebody made such effort to wish me birthday. She wrote happy birthday, beautiful, you are amazing, and that made my day. And मुझे लगा,
Wow.
you know, यूनिवर्स कैसे आपको सरप्राइज करता है। दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड ट्रस्ट द अननोन, वी शुड ट्रस्ट द यूनिवर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ कि मुझे ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये करना है, जस्ट ट्रस्ट। So, and there were many other ways my birthday became very special. I cannot mention so many things here. And so this happened. So tabhi I was limping. My leg was still in a bad shape. I was still limping with lots of pain. And there are pyramids. Pyramids are very powerful. And there was one which is a double pyramid. I think that is called Merkaba. That pyramid is extremely powerful. Whenever I get in, I can feel that energy. And so after all these processes and everything, जिस दिन खत्म हुआ, and I took the train and I came back, and there was no pain in my leg. For 1 month I was limping, and just after that retreat, ये थोड़ा सा भी पेन नहीं था मेरे पैर में। I was thinking कि क्या हुआ, this is how so magical, these retreats are. That's why I suggest कि इतने सामने हो कि आप लोग इंडिया में रहते हो, go for all these retreats. They can transform your life. There is there is another one that I went. It's called Light Age Foundation बोल के, एक बेंगलुरु में एक जगह है जो जहाँ पे मैं बहुत दिनों से I was really looking forward to go there, because it is ऋषि अमरा। आप लोगों को मैंने शेयर किया था, डू यू रिमेम्बर लाइट एंड लव चैनलिंग? हाँ, ऋषि अमरा का वो फाउंडेशन था। And and for some reason, I took the train. I had to go to Bangalore for some reason, and मेरा टैक्सी कहीं और जाना था। मैंने सडनली सर्च किया, देखती हूँ तो ये कहाँ पे है, ये आश्रम कहाँ पे है, and it showed me it is just half an hour from the train station. And I again, immediately I thought this is the signal from the universe, I have to go there. तो इमीडिएटली मैं गई। बुक्स नहीं मिलते हैं ऑनलाइन भी, बुक्स यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल में हम लोग जब अब्रॉड आ जाते हैं ना, उनके बुक्स नहीं मिलते हैं। आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू रीड दोज बुक्स मैंने बहुत सारे खरीदे। दे हैव अगेन पिरामिड पावर इज सो पावरफुल कि वहां पे 7 पिरामिड्स बनाए गए हैं 7 चक्रा को हील करने के लिए, 7 चक्रा पे काम करने के लिए। ओके, फिर वहां पे एक सप्त ऋषि, इफ यू रिमेम्बर 7 ऋषियों का जो मैंने बोला ना, चैनलिंग करते थे ऋषि अमरा एंड कृष्णानंदा, उनका एक वहां पे एक जगह है जहां पे आप जाने से आपको फील होगा द वाइब्रेशन एंड एवरीथिंग। एंड देन वहां पे कृष्णानंदा जो ऋषि अमरा का डिसाइपल है, उनका वहां पे अस्थियां है। द वेरी स्ट्रेंज देर आर, इट इज एक्सट्रीमली पावरफुल। हर चक्रा में जाके मैंने, एटलीस्ट मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, मेरे बेटा बोले मम्मी चलो, एंड आई वाज सेइंग नो बाबा प्लीज वेट, प्लीज फॉर 2 minutes आई वांट टू मेडिटेट इन ऑल द pyramids। एंड आई मेडिटेटेड एंड देन ये जो कृष्णानंदा का जो अस्थियों का जो उनका जो जगह है ना, उनका समाधि जो है, he had a photo, okay, there, a huge photo. Eyes were piercing. It's like आंखें होते हैं ना, कुछ आंखें होते हैं ना, देखने से लगता है कि like very bright, very enlightened, मोक्ष प्राप्ति वाला एक इंसान, उसका उनके आंखों जैसा लग रहा था। And what happened is, like, in the whole room, that was not a big photo frame, but मैं जहां पे भी मूव कर रही हूँ, wherever I'm moving, I could feel that his eyes are moving with me. And I got goosebumps. I thought, what's happening? मैं इधर घूम रही हूँ, मैं देख रही हूँ, वो इधर घूम के देख रहे हैं मुझे। अगेन आई एम मूविंग अनदर साइड, अगेन वो मुझे इधर घूम के मुझे देख रहे हैं। And it was just mind blowing, the kind of energy and power. That's why I tell you, friends, in सब जगहों को खोजो, जाओ वहां पे, these places, the retreat was so refreshing for me. Meenakshi temple is so, like, it is so powerful. Meenakshi is always showering me with her blessings. और एक दिन गई, सुबह में गई, एक ओल्ड लेडी अचानक से मेरे पास आई। मेरा दर्शन हो गया, लेडी आई, ना मैं उनका भाषा जानती हूँ ना, आई डोंट नो हर लैंग्वेज, यू नो neither she knows my language nor I know her language. Okay. And but she was speaking in Tamil, didn't matter, she wanted me to go with her. Okay. And she took me to various places, showed me. And Meenakshi temple is very powerful. There are many other powerful idols and vigrahas there. And she took me everywhere. She'd ask me, yahan pe pranam karo, wahan pe pranam karo. And I could feel, who is she, kahan se aayi ye, मुझे, I felt so magical कि मैंने आपसे मांगा नहीं कोई हेल्प, कुछ भी नहीं मांगा, आप इतना प्यार मुझे क्यों दे रहे हो। बट वो अपना प्यार निछावर, शी वॉज जस्ट शावरिंग हर लव ऑन मी, एंड देन फाइनली शी सेड, what she said I don't know, but she took me to the Annadanam. I never go to the Annadanam, it is a very crowded place. She pushed me to the Annadanam and she made me sit, and we had all the prasadam and everything. And then she said, you don't have a, मेरे बाल तो छोटे हैं, कहाँ से flowers होंगे, and she said, she I could understand that she wanted me to wear flowers. वो अपने बालों से क्लिप फ्लावर निकाल के मेरे बालों में फ्लावर लगा के, इतना प्यार में, आई वाज लाइक, मुझे लग रहा था कि ये लक्ष्मी का है, उनका नाम भी महालक्ष्मी है। शी सेड माय नेम इज महालक्ष्मी। And till the last end she was there with me, and finally she said goodbye. And I'm still very surprised, who is she? मुझे अभी भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कौन है ये, सही में एक इंसान है या क्या है। Okay, this is the kind of magical things has happened with me throughout, and there are many other places I went, but I cannot share all of them here. So another thing I wanted to share is, especially Ma Meenakshi, I feel so much power whenever I go to this temple. And for that I want to talk about the power of Divine Mother. Okay, so we all, whenever we meditate, we pray, right? We pray to the emptiness, we pray to the Param Brahma, the all, the universe and everything. But at the same times, for people sometimes, and this universe is androgynous, it doesn't have any gender, it is neither male nor female. But for people who are, who wants to worship in the way they want, it shows, it comes to them in that same form. Okay, so to some it is Divine Mother, to some it is Holy Father. Okay, and what happens is that, like, there is this story of Yogananda in the book Autobiography of a Yogi. This man, if you don't know, he was a yogi himself, very powerful person, but also he always used to go in search of other yogis, very, very different kind of people. He met people who did not sleep for, he did not sleep at all. He then met two ladies who did not eat at all. One was eating only one wafer a day, another did not eat at all, Giribala Devi. Okay, so there are so many examples of magical people that he went. So this time, there was a time he wanted to meet somebody who was a sleepless yogi. He wanted to meet, and this yogi lived somewhere near Tarakeshwar. Okay, and so he was traveling to that place, but he had to cross Tarakeshwar. So when he was crossing Tarakeshwar, he said के अरे टेम्पल में जाने का क्या फायदा है, भगवान तो अपने ही अंदर है, जरूरत नहीं है टेम्पल जाने का. एंड ही लेफ्ट, but he was lost for 2 days and still he could not reach that yogi's place. Yeah, and finally he reached after 2 days. And the moment he arrived at that sleepless yogi's place, they are highly enlightened, they know everything what is happening. He said, अभी समझे कि देखो बाहर भी भगवान है, भीतर भी भगवान है. So what he meant is that you should have also worshipped that goddess which was inside the Tarakeshwar temple, Ma Tara. Okay, and there is again stories. These are the stories, and then Ma Meenakshi, I've told you that like I have an amazing connection with her. Her name is Ma Meenakshi is also Divine Mother. You can also think of her as the Divine Mother. Meenakshi means mean Akshi, whose eyes are like a fish, and a fish never sleeps. It cannot wink its eyes, right? It is always open. It is always aware of what is happening. Yeah, so that's what the Divine Mother is, always aware of all our pain and all our challenges. Yeah, and then again, there I want to share another story from the book Thousand Seeds of Joy. Okay, there that book talks about the fact that for thousands of years the patriarchal system has dominated us so much that the divinity, the divine feminine, got suppressed under the masculine power. Okay, and in that book it doesn't say that only divine feminine means girls. So every living being, every human being has both masculine and feminine. और इतने सप्रेस करते करते क्या हो गया है कि हम में भी, इवन इन फीमेल्स, the divine feminine is suppressed. We start becoming very aggressive, we start becoming competitive. These are all qualities of men, masculine. Okay, so what she was talking about is that it is time now to really balance, bring in the divine feminine, in picture. And they say that hum bhi these goddesses, these are also enlightened beings, and they have attained enlightenment and reached to a place where they are called goddesses. They say that we are also androgynous, but we take the form of divine feminine to show the path to others. Okay, so that's why divine femininity is so important to develop in each one of us. And also I feel ke, sometimes it depends. For me, sometimes I imagine the universe as Holy Father, sometimes I imagine it as Divine Mother. Divine Mother makes me feel so cozy, so comfortable, and this is what is so important, to feel the love and warmth of the Divine Mother, nurturing us, holding us, caring for us. Yeah, so today we will do a meditation on the divine feminine. Okay, the Divine Mother. Yeah, and tap into the power of the Divine Mother, her love, her nurturing. And she's not just loving, she's also very powerful. She's so कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि powerful, somebody who is not very aggressive doesn't mean that person is not powerful. That person can be powerful yet not aggressive. Okay, that is the divine mother qualities, and we can all develop that kind of quality in all of us. Yeah, so what I would do is that today I would, any question, Lena? या फिर did you like the experiences, Lina?
Yes, really, I like the experience. I also wanted to visit the temple.
Yeah. So she always surprises me. She loves me very much because मैंने उनको बहुत टाइम दिया है you know, तो अभी वो निछावर कर दी है उनका प्यार मुझ पे. Please go, and even if you go once, you will see she will love you equally. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
So
yes.
yeah, and pyramid. Try to also understand the power of pyramids. You know, the pyramids are in. I went to Bangalore, the Pyramid Valley. You know, it has amazing. वहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Hello, good to see you, Fuldi. Yeah, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Babunda.
হ্যাঁ, বাবুনদার তোর কথাগুলি শুনতে খুব ভালো লাগে, বলছে চালায় রাখো, আমি কথাগুলি শুনি আর কাজ করি। আমি তো
Okay.
তাকাই থাকি তোর স্টেজের দিকে, বাবুনদার খুব বলে ভাল লাগে শুনতে তোর কথাগুলি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তো ভালো লাগলো তোমাদেরকে দেখে।
না, খুব ভালো লাগে। আমি আর লিনা তো একসঙ্গে সকালে কাজ করি সবসময়। হাই
হ্যাঁ,
লিনা।
তোমার জন্যই তো লিনা জয়েন
Hi.
করলো।
হুম, চল ঠিক আছে, চালু কর,
Okay,
শুনি
so
আমরা।
today I will put a music. The music itself is the music of Divine Mother. Okay, I might guide very little in between, but try to feel the once you get into emptiness, try to merge with the Divine Mother. Okay, Holy Mother, Divine Mother, just merge with her into this emptiness. Soak in the love, soak in the nurturing. हम लोग को प्यार बाहर से चाहिए, हम लोग को nurturing बाहर से चाहिए, हम लोग को care बाहर से चाहिए. But जब Divine Mother हमारे साथ है, you know, just take it. You know, when you love yourself deep within, all the love from outside will come automatically. Focus on the love for the Divine Mother. Okay, so I will put on the music. Close your eyes. Yes, listen to the music. Listen it from your heart. Breathe in and breathe out from your heart. How beautiful the love of the deities. Breathe in and out from your heart. Feel the love. Feel her nurturing. and the love in every cell of your body. You are always safe. You are always protected. You are always nurtured. You are always loved by Divine Mother. Feel this safety in your heart. Just focus on your breath, normal, natural breath. Feel the peace that comes when we are one with our breath.
Durga Devi Shankari Namastasye
When we are with our breath, our
Namastasye
mind stops working. Just
Namastasye
become witness to our mind.
Namo Namaha
Observe the thoughts, if any, like clouds in the sky.
Uma Parvati Shive Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha
Emotions, if any, from past popping up, let them come and go. You become a witness.
Ma Bhavani Ambike Namastasye Namo
surrender yourself and merge into this emptiness.
Mamba Lalita Devi Kamala
This emptiness, this nothingness, this divine mother.
Namastasye,
Become one with the divine mother.
Namastasye, Namo Namaha. Mamba Lalita
Spread yourself all around yourself. This emptiness.
Tvam Brahmani Gayatri Namastasye, Namastasye, Namastasye,
Surrender.
Namo Namaha.
Surrender to this music. Surrender to Divine Mother.
Mamba Lalita Devi Tvam Tripura Sundari Namastasye, 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 Namo Namaha.
The Divine Mother becomes one with us, not when we pray to her, but when we imbibe her qualities and become one like her.
Mata Bhuvaneshwari
This emptiness is the power of the Divine Mother. Absorb,
Namastasye, Namastasye,
feel this gentle power of Divine Mother.
Namastasye, Namo Namaha.
Feel the softness and love of Divine Mother.
Lalita Devi
Absorb these qualities in your life. self of yours, higher self of yours, has the same wisdom as us. Absorb that, become one with that.
Parabhakti Varade
Absorb her quality of clarity,
Namastasye Namastasye Namo Namaha
soak in the clarity,
Mamba Lalita Devi Maya
soak in her courage. Feel the courage in every cell of your body.
Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha
Soak in the power.
Ishwari
The power
Narayani
to overcome challenges. The
Namastasye
power to work on our weaknesses.
Namastasye Namastasye
The power to learn our lessons. Absorb her grace.
Nitya Parameshwari
Absorb her beauty.
Namastasye Namastasye Namo Namaha Mamba Lalita
Let the
Jagadambe
Divine Mother activate the Divine Feminine in you.
Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha
the divine feminine in you. Just free of negativities.
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
Free of anger, hatred, jealousy,
शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके
greed, surrender all that no longer serves you, Divine Mother, so that the divine feminine in you grows deep, brightens deep. Another one. Surrender. Stay. Whenever you are ready, you can slowly come back to the here and now. Thank you very much.
গুড নাইট কুমকুমনি।
So
Good night.
ভালো আছিস তোরা সবাই?
হ্যাঁ গো, ভালো আছি। তোমরা ভালো
ঠিক
আছো?
আছে, চলছে ভালোই।
নকটে নব?
সব ঠিক। কালকে নকডে আসতেছে ঘরে। অনেক দিন
ভালো
পর আসবে
তাহলে।
কালকে বাড়িতে। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে কুমকু, সাবধানে থাকিস।
ওকে,
টাটা।
হ্যাঁ তোমরাও ভালো থেকো। গুড নাইট।